Hey, how are we doing? Good, it's Chris here from 6string Fingerpicking, and in this lesson we're learning a nice little fingerstyle version of Happy Birthday. Okay, so really briefly before we get on with the lesson, if you're new to this channel and you're into your fingerpicking and you want to get better at it, then consider subscribing, because here at 6string Fingerpicking we are 100% dedicated to helping you get better at fingerstyle. And if you've watched a few of my lessons and you haven't subscribed yet, then what on earth are you waiting for? Please press the subscribe button, say hi in the comments, and come and join this community. Okay, let's get on with the lesson. So let's get stuck into it. This is a really nice, easy version of Happy Birthday. So if you're really new to fingerpicking and you want to play Happy Birthday for a friend or a loved one, then this one is perfect for you. So let's go over the chords first. C, and then G, and F. So just three very simple chords. So, and if you were to strum it, you'd have, or would go happy C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, happy G, 2 C, happy C, 2 F, happy C, G, C. Okay, so really nice, straightforward chord progression to get around there. So you're going to start holding down that C chord, holding down the C chord, play the G string open twice. Okay, and then you're going to play the A string of the C chord, but you're also going to play the second fret on the G. Okay, so you could either do that using your first finger, or you could kind of flatten your second finger down. Most people at this stage will probably find it much more comfortable to use your first finger like that. So I'll do that. So once you play the two open Gs, you lift off your first finger, put it on the second fret of the G, and then you keep your third finger held down on the third fret of the A string. Play those two together. Okay, and then lift off and play open G. And then you play the A string again, and then the B string first fret. So you've gone. And then we go to a G chord, and just take your third finger, put that on the third fret of the low E string, and play that with the open B. Okay, so you've gone. And then you're going to play the bass again, and then the G twice again. Okay, so. And then play that second fret on the G string with this one here, the third fret on the low E string, play those two together. Then lift off that second finger, play open G, then the bass note, and then the third fret on the B string. Okay, so that's, and then we go back to C. And on the C chord, play the A and the B strings together. Okay, so far. Play the bass again after that, two open Gs again, then take your little finger, put it on the third fret of the high E string, whilst keeping the rest of the fingers in exactly the same place. So you play the two strings together, the A string and the high E string, both on the third fret. Then lift off the pinky, play open high E, then the A string again, third fret, then the B string first fret, so that's. And then we go to the F, but you don't have the bar just yet, which is great. Just need your second finger on the second fret of the G and the third finger on the third fret of the D. Play the D string, third fret with the open B. Then you're going to play a G second fret, and then the D third fret again, and then the high E first fret twice. Okay, so if you really struggle with that bar, you don't actually have to bar, you could just go. See, I'm not barring there. So that makes it a bit easier for you. So, straight back to a C chord, and holding down C chord, play the A string and the open high E, then the first fret on the B, and then we go to a G chord, and we're going to play the bass note, which is the third fret on the low E, and then the third fret on the B string, and then then you can just strum a C chord and you're done. So that last bar, okay, I'll play it all through once more, really, really slow. When you get ready and you've practiced a bit, try playing along with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to 6stringfingerpicking.com, where there's 2 more versions of how to play Happy Birthday on there, and loads more fingerstyle guitar lessons. But that's where we're going to leave it for today. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.